Let's say you want to convert this PDF document into Word document to edit it. There are two methods to do this. Method 1, open your Word and then open the PDF directly into Microsoft Word. It will give you a message, simply ignore it and click OK. Now you can see your PDF is open into Microsoft Word and you can edit it too. And you can save this document as a normal Word document. But sometimes these graphics cause some problem and you can see some of the part is not editable, like this part. It is not editable while rest all of this is editable. So in this case, you can use method 2. Now in your browser type PDF to Word converter and open this website. I love PDF. On this website, I'm already getting a PDF to Word converter. But if you're not getting it or you are seeing like this, so simply click PDF to Word converter here. And now select the PDF file. Click on Convert to Word and download. I will name it CV2 Word document. Now open your CV2. Click on Enable Editing. And now you can see that we can edit it just like the previous time. Plus, this part was not editable in the method 1, but this time this part is also editable. And we can do whatever we want. So guys, these are the two methods to convert PDF to Word document.